to know what does ECG represents. So ECG represents the heart electrical activity. Now, what are the waves of ECG? ECG have P wave, Q, RS complex, T wave and U wave. Okay. So what does P represents here? P represents atrial depolarization. Atrial depolarization. QRS represents ventricular depolarization. Okay. T wave represents repolarization of ventricles. Fine. So now what we have to understand basically. First of all, we have to see what is normal ECG. Okay. Normal ECG. See, normal heart rate. Normal heart rate is what? Between 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay. This is the normal heart rate. Rhythm. Regular, which originates from the sinoatrial node, which is also called SA node. P wave. Now what represents P wave? If P wave is present, okay, then it is sinus. Okay, it represents sinus ECG. Each P wave in normal ECG, each P wave is followed by a QRS complex. Understand? Now, what is the PR interval? Here, this PR interval. Okay, PR interval is 120 to 200 milliseconds, which means 3 to 5 small squares. This is normal pattern of seeing ECG. These are the small squares between P and R interval. Okay, these are the big squares. In this, there are 5 small boxes, which you have to understand that if distance between P and R wave is 3 to 5 small squares, then it is normal. If not, then there may be pathology, which we will discuss later. Now, what we have to understand about QRS complex. Okay, if QRS complex is more than 0.21 seconds, okay, if QRS complex is more than 1.2 second, it has pathology, but it is less than or till 0.12 second, then it is normal. Okay, ST segments is flat and isoelectric, where T wave usually seen inverted in V1 and in lead third is a normal value. Okay, so this is the normal criteria of seeing ECG. Fine. Now we will go through algorithm. What we have to first see in ECG, whether it is sinus or non-sinus. Second criteria, rhythm is regular or non-regular or irregular. Okay. Third criteria, we have to find out the heart rate of the ECG. So first of all, we will see how we can consider it is sinus or non-sinus. If we can see here, if P wave is present in ECG, if P wave is present, so it is if P wave is present, it is sinus. If P wave is absent, it is non-sinus. Okay, this is the first criteria. See here, if P wave is present, see this is the P wave and it is present before QRS complex. Here also, here. So this is sinus. Now, second criteria to find out the ECG is regular or irregular. So we have to see like the distance between QRS complexes. Distance between two QRS complexes is equal. Like, see, if P QRS T. Okay. And one more thing. Many students get confused between P wave and T wave. T wave is always taller than P wave. Okay. So we have to find out the distance between two R waves. Okay. Distance between two R waves. If distance between two R waves is same, like we found four large boxes. Okay, four large boxes. Four. Okay, then it is regular. But if we find 4 box, 3 box, 2 box, then 4 box, then it is irregular. If the distance between two R wave is same, then it is regular. But if the distance between two R wave is different, then it is for sure irregular. Now, what we have to see? Third criteria, we have to find out the heart rate. Now, This also we have to calculate for regular rhythm and irregular rhythm. So there are two formulas to find out the heart rate. First, we have to find for regular heart rate. Okay. For regular, there is a formula that you have to calculate big boxes between two R waves, like here. Like it has 1, 2, and approximately 2.1.2.5. Okay. So how to find? We have to find. We have to divide by 300. 2.5 divide by 300, and we can get the heart rate of the regular rhythm. If the heart rate is less than 60 degree, then it is called bradycardia. If more than 100, then tachycardia. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Now the formula for calculating irregular rhythm, see, you can see here. For regular rhythm, you have to find out the distance between two R waves. Okay, calculate the boxes between two R waves, large boxes, not small one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to divide the 4 by 300, and you can get the regular rhythm. Now see the result. Here is 75 beats per minute. So this is what? This is normal heart rate. As I tell you before, that less than 60 is bradycardia, more than 100 is tachycardia, between 60 to 100 is normal. Okay. Now see the formula for calculating irregular rhythm heart rate. You have to find out 30 big squares. Okay, 30 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the very first QRS complex. Okay, remember this, from the very QRS complex, you have to count 30 large squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now what you have to do? You have to see the R waves. Between the number of R waves in the large 30 squares, like here we have 7 QRS complexes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to multiply by number of R waves by 10, and you can get your heart rate. So here is also its normal heart rate. Fine. I hope you understand these basic points. If you like the video, then share this video, likes and comments my video. Thank you.